Today we're here to talk about how you put on the Breg Polar Wave pads. By the end of this video, you're going to learn the application process for the body part that you need to use the wave pads on. So let's jump right into it and learn how to use these pads. Once you get your pad in the mail, whether you ordered it separately or with your wave cooler, a couple things you want to do right off of the start just to make sure everything's okay. There's a part number and a pad name on the pad. This happens to be the shoulder pad, part number C00004. Now we're going to show you how to put on the shoulder pad for the wave. Just a quick reminder, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us and help us create content for you. Now let's get back to the video.
This is the shoulder pad for the Breg Polar Care Wave System. And as you'll see, we have our straps in place, which you will want to do before you put it on. And you're going to want to place your straps on whichever side of the shoulder that you're going to be treating, granted that you have the hose down, which is the preferred way to put it on. Also, before you connect your hoses, you'll notice that the hose has a Breg symbol. You need to make sure those Breg symbols match up before you hook your hoses into place. So, now that we're ready to go, we're going to place this shoulder pad on the shoulder.
Now I did not have surgery, which is why I'm using my arm, but so now we're just...
If you had surgery, obviously you're not going to be moving your arm this much. It's going to be in more of a still position. So, we're going to take our top strap, bring it around, and connect it to the front. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and take the smaller piece, bring it under your arm, and fasten it. At this point, you can go ahead and adjust the straps to make it looser or tighter, depending on your needs.
And you would adjust it like this. There's a latch there, so you just pull it tight to make it comfortable.
And this is actually really convenient because you can adjust this by yourself if you don't have someone to help you. Once you've got it in place and it fits nice and snug, you're going to want to take your hose from the pad and connect it to your hose from the cooler. You'll see here we have our Breg symbols matching up. You hear that click, that lets you know that it's secure. Once you've done that, you're ready to hook in your power supply and begin your therapy.
Now that you know how to put on your Breg Polar Care Wave pads, click on our next video up here in the corner and it's going to show you the unboxing of the Breg Polar Care Wave. Now let's get back in motion.